Where do you want it?
The datum, the date is 18.
Yes, okay, what else?
And the time is 6:30.
Okay, and
And
then?
then you have to put your name and signature. So I can give you stuff.
So I am forced to answer bullshit orders. And it needs to be written properly. Because like that, some people are feeling better about themselves. That's it. While I just gave you a chaotic one and you do not accept it. Where is it? It's here. I already showed you.
It's not the same name.
Why is it not the same name of what? It's written twice the same name. No? What do you remember the name? No, hey, I have been following the system. It's there. You want it? Do you want it? Okay. Please. Why do you give me orders all the time? No, these are injunctions, it's called. It's called injunctions. Yeah, injunctions. This is orders. Ah, you want it?
Yes.
This means that you want it?
Yes.
Okay. Ja, ich habe die beide. Das ist warum. Danke. Okay, thank you. Thank you. That was a bit complicated. That was tough. I do my best to follow your system in the way that I understand it, in the way that you transmit the information to me. If then there is an issue with the way that you transmit the information to me the first time, and then I follow it exactly as it should be the second time, then it's not my problem to solve your issue of systems, okay? Yeah, no, you tell me some principles and some rules to follow.
Not everything we say every time, and you don't have time to go on the website and read the rules of the library. So that's very smart.
No, but last time you told me to let stuff there, so I let stuff there. Your colleague told me that.
Darf ich nur 5 Minuten was sagen? Sorry. Ich habe ganz viel zu tun. Kannst du mir bitte die Tür aufmachen? So, jetzt vielleicht? Ja, weil ich habe schon da unten.
Yeah, anyway.